Hello everyone. I have two friends with me, as you can see. Nice kid, right? Hey, how are you? How are you? তোমরা কেমন আছো? ভালো আছো? ওকে, ইংরেজিতে বলতে পারবে আমি ভালো আছি? আহ তোমরা বলতে পারো I am good. তারা ভালো আছে, right? They are happy and look at their smiling face. They are infant. They don't have any sin, right? What class do you read in?
Five.
Wow, and you? তুমি কোন ক্লাসে পড়ো? Okay, they are student of class 5. What is your name? জোরে বলো। সেলা।
Badon.
His name is Badhon. Badhol. Badhon. Okay, nice name, Badhon. And what is your name?
My name is Ismail.
Ismail. His name is Ismail. He is Badhon and he is Ismail and they are student of class 5. They are looking really beautiful, really happy, right? Wow, I really like to spend time with them. I found them suddenly and I introduced myself to them and they already introduced themselves to us. His name is Badhon and his name is Smile. They are student of class 5. So what is your hobby? তোমার শখ কি? কি করতে ভালো লাগে?
Video.
Video. He likes to make content. He likes to make video. And you? Wow, he also like to make video, and I'm really proud because I found them and I introduced myself to them and I learned a lot from them. Right. So thank you very much. Thank you. Love you. Bye bye.